The word wait for you, this is not passively waiting. Kasi sometimes people say, what's God's will for my life? I just wait. Parang tunganga lang. The word wait here refers to active waiting, not passive waiting. Parang mga waiter. For example lang, waiter, di ba? The waiters are waiting for the people to make order, pero alert sila always. Di ba? Para minsan pag mayroong customer mag-order, diretso na sila doon. So their waiting is not waiting expectantly. Ganon tayo dapat. So in times of trouble, we do not know the Lord's will. We wait for God's answer, actively waiting. So pag magulat ta, dapat dili ta wala gibuhat. We still continue what we're doing and we actively wait for God's answer. In fact, there are so many passages in the Bible which says that those who wait on the Lord shall not be put to shame. Isaiah 49:23. Also in Romans chapter 5:5, hope does not put us to shame. So the word waiting in the Lord, is synonymous to hoping in the Lord. We wait, naghulat ta kang Lord. And kabalota, di ta ganahan maghulat. We do not like to wait. Especially if we're asking, Lord, what is your will in this area? And then, since wala pa itubag, ako na lang bahala. No, we have to be like David, patiently waiting, but at the same time, actively waiting for God's answer. Because we know that once we put our faith and hope in the Lord, we will not be put to shame.